Up for sale, 1971 Pontiac Lemans T-37. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please have a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 71 Lemans T-37, finished in tropical lime with green interior and a green vinyl top. 350 automatic, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory AC, all original metal, and previous ownership since 1973. Of course, I'm going to go around it. Oh, I got the wind coming here. I'm going to go around it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So, of course, we will start here in the front as always. And, again, previous ownership since 1973. I got the wind coming one more time. It's supposed to be 50,000 miles and original paint. I definitely do believe the mileage. Just by looking at the metal, the floors, the all original interior, the dash. So of course with original paint, it's mostly original paint. I'll show you what I found in my detective work. You're gonna get some light stone chips on this front. It must have been like a gravel road owned car, because look down low, you see some of that. But the chrome bumpers, super nice actually. Nice, shiny. It was stored indoors. And you can tell again by looking at the body, looking at the underneath. Again, like I said, all original metal, body panels, original spatter paint in the trunk. The floors don't even have surface rust on them. You see like a little blotch here. Again, original paint. I hadn't buffed it yet, believe it or not. It's just this shiny to begin with. So again, I'm going to point out, things that I see as I go around it. I think the only panels that were painted, excuse me, I'm still sick, the rocker right here, maybe it was all stone chipped up because you could see a lot of stone chips there. Maybe that was. I took a magnet on both sides just to make sure. I didn't see anything. And you can see, look at the metal down there. And then again, the back, the back this is original. You can see the stone chips here, but look at the metal there. If you can make that out. Yeah, this is pristine. Rally wheels as well. Radial tires. Let me just show you the interior real quick. All the glass is super nice. There's like a little thing right there. So what the owner did, he removed the normal way you open the hood. So he's got this little tool. And I might as well show you. He was always nervous about it. It shows, didn't want it to get stolen, so he did that. And again, I kept it as original as I could in here, which means I just cleaned it up. All your original black paint, your original sticker. Look at the metal here for the original paint on the fenders. Oh yeah, I gotta remember that. Both sides, and then look at that pristine stamping right there. Still, you think I would have cleaned that better, but pristine there. And then they got the same thing over here, right there. Trim tag is in place. I took a picture of that. That'll be on the ad. Power steering, power front disc brakes, AC, which I don't believe works. Actually, I know it does not work right now. I'm going to look into it and see, but I'm not sure if this one we can get going. But just nice, clean, unmolested. You get the right air cleaner on there, right intake. Nothing's been changed. It hasn't been upgraded to a 4-barrel carburetor because it's a factory 2-barrel car. Runs super, super nice. I drove it about an hour home. Look how nice the inner fender wells are for being original, too. Let me fire it up. Even the underhood's nice and clean. $50,676 on the dash, and just look at the steering wheel. This is one of those things. There's not a crack on the wheel. Not a crack. Not a crack in here. Not a crack here. Look how nice the steering column is in here. And I might as well show you the dash. The black, the bezels, the stainless, the radio, all that. This is all beautiful. it's been sitting here. There we go. Runs like a sewing machine. Drives really nice, drives straight, brakes straight. Like I said, I drove it home about an hour. I had it on the highway. The compressor is not seized, so that's in a good direction, but maybe there's a leak in the line. I don't know. I'm just going to probably assume it doesn't. So let's go down the window. Driver's side of the car as always. You see like a little nick there. Some light marks you see around the trim on the fender. What is this? Just put my dirty hands on it. Okay, like a little scuff right there. But look how nice the door lines up to the fender. Look how nice the hood lines up as you look down. Then you see some more stone chips. Little marks like that. There's your VIN. No cracks in the dash pad. I mean, even the green paint in here, it's really nice. I mean, it's not faded. It's not cracking from age. The vinyl top's super nice. I mean, there's no bubbles. Look at that. In there. No bubbles in here. This is the worst spot on the car. He had like a, what did the son say? He had like a secondary antenna, so when they took it off, it peeled some of that paint. I thought about touching it up. Then I know what someone's gonna say. Are you hiding something? So I'm just leaving it. I put a little bit of clear on there so it doesn't surface rust. If you want to go ahead and touch it up nicely, by all means. You see in here, no bubbles. Unmolested package tray. The back window's super nice. All the trim is nice. And you come down in here. Look how nice this fitment is, how this lines up. You see some little, nicks and chips from over the years over there. But that rocker is nice. Look at that line. And I know I already laid down and I showed you below the quarter there, below the whole rocker. I'll do that on the other side as well. Nice weather stripping, original tag in here. I took a picture of that. Some marks in here, but it's mint. There's no, of course there's no Bondo. This is original paint, so it's super, super nice. The hem, oh, excuse, I don't even know if I was showing you that. The hem all the way up is nice. And then now to really focus on the interior, door panel, super nice condition. I mean, there's no rips on it. There's no tears. Your armrest is in nice shape. This is in nice shape. If you can get a good look at the glass. All forward in here, it's nice. Look at the corner there. Excuse me. Nice original paint in here. Nice in here. No rips on the seats. Seats are clean. They're not worn. The material's not losing that look to it that it has from the factory. Even your carpet's clean. They had the, that's a shadow, I promise you. Yeah. It looked, for some reason when I was looking at it, it looks like brown in my camera. They had like those grandma floor mats that you'd have back in the day, those clear ones. I took those out. I showed you this, showed you that. the dash up close. Sail panels, beautiful. Door panels in the back seat. All super nice. Again, there's a better look at the package tray from inside. Again, like I said, some stone chips down here. A couple little marks here. He put like half of the stainless, or half of the exhaust is stainless. Back bumper is really nice. I don't know if I pointed that out already. I know I showed you that in the corner. But again, no bubbles. Before I open the trunk, I'll show you. Get the working dome light. Original paint in here with the jacking instructions. Nice weather stripping. It's doing the job, obviously, but let's show you the finish. And here, look at the original stampings there. Original stamping there. It's a rally wheel spare, a Pontiac rally wheel. Tire iron jack. Not the floor mat, but it's that insulation that would have been below the original floor mat. And then you look in here, you see the original spatter paint all over. Obviously original quarters, obviously original fenders. Excuse me. Oh, I got a call, I gotta take this, give me a second. Okay, as we were. Same deal here as the other side. You see the stone chips, but then when you lay down and you look, you see that original metal there. You even see, if you really get down and look, this is black primer from the factory. A couple little marks. You see some more marks on the door edge. Some more marks down there. This side's got some little scratches on the door that you see over there. So basically it's a mostly original Survivor when you think about it. The door there. It will be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. 71 Lemans. Previous owner of 52 years. Believed to be 50,000 miles, and I feel like we can all agree it probably is, or more than likely is. 350 automatic, which is a turbo 350 trans specifically. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It is a factory AC car. On tropical lime. I love the color. I love the name of the color. A couple more above here. And then again, some more of that stone chipping down there, which is exactly why I think that they did paint that lower rocker. Just because one of the things that I clued in on was there was a run right there. Very small. I mean, this is probably 30-something-year-old paint, to be honest with you. A little run there, and I'm thinking, back in the day, you wouldn't have sent the car out with a run, so I'm like, they had to have repainted that. But everything else, as far as I can tell, from going through it makes sense. Excuse me, makes sense to be original. Some other little marks there. Little guy down over here. Thank you for watching. We are going to fire it up now and then drive it. This is like a sewing machine, dude. Mm-hmm. Holy mother of dialed in. I can't believe for its age how smooth this is. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. I forgot that. Look at this.